है, तो उस चीज़ को हमें समझने की ज़रूरत है।
और कांग्रेस लीडर कपिल सिब्बल ने कहा कि अगर हैदराबाद इनकाउंटर जाली साबित हुआ तो एक बड़ा मसला है। इन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क में इस्मत रेजी करने वालों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई में फास्ट ट्रैक सिस्टम कायम होना चाहिए ताकि ऐसे वाकयात से फौरी निपटा जा सके।
If it is found that this was a fake encounter, then it's a very serious matter. That means the police personnel take into their own hands the law. And this is bloodlust versus due process. While if such heinous crimes are committed, and they are being committed every day, people must be brought to justice quickly, and we must all condemn them with one voice. But the law cannot be sort of sidelined. Due process cannot be sidelined, and the police personnel cannot take law into their own hands. And these kind of incidents also suggest that the criminal justice system has failed. We've seen lots of instances of encounters in Uttar Pradesh, right? Forget Telangana. Ever since Yogi Adityanath came to power, there are any number of encounters that have taken place. If you give credence and credibility to such encounters without following due process, I think it's